Hello friends, welcome to a new video. So the two new words for the day are desecrate and mellifluous. The first word desecrate means to treat a sacred place or a thing with violent disrespect. For example, the news sometimes reports on vandals who have desecrated tombstones or places of worship. Another example could be, do not desecrate the temple by speaking loudly during your visit. The second word of the day is mellifluous. So mellifluous means sweetly or smoothly flowing, or you can say sweet sounding. You can say a mellifluous voice or mellifluous tones. An example could be, she sounded quite mellifluous on the phone. Let's see how she turns out to be in person. Another example of mellifluous could be, they wanted to hire a lady with a mellifluous voice for the job of a customer care executive. Thank you, friends, for coming back and watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please share our video with more of your family and friends. See you tomorrow. Bye.